Is your iPhone speaker suddenly too quiet even at max volume? Don't panic. I'm Roberto from TechnoTutor TV, and today I'll show you 5 official fixes to restore your sound. Fix 1. Check the physical mute switch and volume buttons. First, make sure your ring silent switch isn't toggled to silent mode. A quick check here often solves it. Then, use the side buttons to crank the volume to the absolute maximum before continuing. Fix 2. Disable phone noise cancellation. Open Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, and tap into it. From here, find and select Audio and Visual. This menu controls specific call audio features. Turn off phone noise cancellation. This feature can sometimes reduce perceived volume during standard phone calls. Fix 3. Check the EQ settings in your music app. Navigate to Music in your settings and tap EQ. Some presets can actually compress your audio output. Select Late Night. This preset is designed to boost quiet sounds and increase the overall loudness of your media. Fix 4. Clean the speaker grill. Dust and debris are the most common culprits. Take a very close look at your speaker grill for any blockage. Use a soft, dry toothbrush with gentle strokes. Never use liquids or compressed air, as these can cause damage. After a quick cleaning, your speakers should sound noticeably clearer and much louder. Fix 5. Restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. Try a simple restart first. Slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Finally, check for software updates. Apple frequently releases patches that fix known audio bugs and glitches. Try these 5 fixes in order. Most speaker issues are software related or just require simple cleaning. Did one of these work for you? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more tech fixes.